Hi, and welcome to the Mirka workshop. Today, I'm thrilled to demonstrate one of the most convenient features of our professional Mirka DEXOS 1217 dust extractor, the automatic filter cleaning function. Now, this feature is important when it comes to maintaining optimal performance and efficiency of our dust extractor. The automatic filter cleaning function is designed to periodically clean the filter, ensuring that suction power remains consistent and dust buildup in the filter is minimized. Let me show you how it works. On the control panel, here, you'll find a dedicated button for activating the automatic filter cleaning function. Once activated, the dust extractor will automatically initiate the filter cleaning process at regular intervals, without intervention required from you. During the cleaning process, you may notice some noises and vibration as the dust extractor shakes the filters to dislodge any trapped dust and debris. This ensures that the filter remains clear and free from clogs, maintaining optimal suction power for your sanding, cutting, or routing tasks. And the best part, you can continue working on your projects without any interruptions. The automatic cleaning function takes care of the cleaning process in the background. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights and tips from the Mirka workshop.